Hi guys, sorry it's been so long. It's been a very long week. So today's Friday, the 11th, and well, woke up at 6 o'clock this morning to news reports about Japan, um, and earthquakes and flooding and tsunamis. And the only thing I really started thinking was, oh my gosh, I have family that's actually visiting um, Japan at this present moment, and it's just crazy. Um, we're fortunate that we don't get um, that bad of earthquakes, but 8.9, it's huge. 8.9, that's crazy. That's just like big. Wow. So, by the way, I am sick. Um, I had a rough night last night. Let's just say I was throwing up, and I have a headache, and stuff like that. So, and right now I'm pulling up Yahoo, and they're already telling me 6.6 earthquakes have struck central Japan. I'm just hoping that it doesn't affect where my family is right now. I can't believe it. Lights are shut down. This is crazy. I think there is a link to give money and give donations to Tokyo. I'll leave it below. Um, and if you're on the site of YouTube, you can look at how you can help and watch some videos and listen to it. They got several things. I'll link this, put the links below. So, thank you for watching, and, wow. God have mercy, that's crazy. Alright, see you later.